What's up everybody, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today I did pick it up, those lithium ions AA's and AAA's battery. I believe it's made by Zithion-X battery. It's supposed to be pretty good battery at Costco for $25.99, and it's come with 4 AA's, 4 AAA's, a couple storages boxes, and the wire harness to charge it. And it shows it can be used on video game remotes, flashlights, candles, all kind of electronics, CB's radio, RC cars, camera, computers, all around. It looks kind of good. I mean, really interesting, especially for the price. On the back there's a easy opening tab to open it package, because these days everything is packaged really strong to make sure no one's gonna open it at store. And it's made in China. Yeah, like everything these days, that's easy. now I'm pretty much, oh, you know what, if you twist it like that back and forth, the packaging splits right there. That's probably it's gonna be the easiest way to deal with. There you go. It's kind of funny. Some portion you open from this side to pull it out battery, and other side you have to open it. How to get where the cable is. Because this pack, the packaging material, is splits. Oh yeah, you have to open from this side. Something like that I usually call it's a Chinese puzzle. You have to really know what you're doing, otherwise you can spend hours and hours and you can never pull them out apart. Okay, 2 boxes. Like I said, it's one for AA's. Actually, they are identical, AA's, AAA's. I thought one's gonna be made for AA's, another one for AAA's. No, they are identical. It depends how you place it, your battery. This is a AA, that way it goes, and AAA you put it this way. Actually, you can put it 3 AAA and 1 AA if you want to, or 4 AA's of course, or 4 AAA's. Storage cages is always nice to have. Yeah, which is good. I like it. Also, they can be clipped one after another. I like a daisy chain, and you can build them as long as you want it. That's probably kind of neat. Then like I said, you can store it all your batteries. Huh. It's really neat. Look at that. I like batteries. Well, the thing is, I do have a lot of equipment which requires AA's, like video games. They all using, well, Game Boys, AA's, Game Boy Pocket, AAA. You see, this one is alkaline. Tape player, also AA's, goes right here. And yeah. Plus, I do have a big box with lithium ions. Nickel metal and NiCaps. Actually, the NiCaps, they all gone. Now I got mostly nickel metal and different brand, 2 different types. All my batteries, when I buy them, I usually test it for see how true capacity. Like these guys advertise at 2500, it's only a little over 2000. This one, I believe it's like 1800, it's 1600. This guy is also, I believe it's like 2200 or so. It's 16. Pretty much today, what we're gonna do, I'd like to try charge it and then discharge it with this tester. First of all, let's check to see how much volt has when it's come from factory. At 1.2 volts. Let's check them all. Yep, 1.24. Actually, the first one also was 1.24. This one 1.21, 1.23, which is really good. And then it did come with a wire harness like that. Looks 144. Also, this end pretty much adapter is attached, and it's type USB to USB Type C, which is really good. I mean, to charge it, you just plug it like that. Oh, it kind of feels like it clicks when you connect it, which is awesome. And then pretty much, let's see, let me plug it my laptop power supply, and then we can use it. And now they're all in red. Pretty much it's charging. It's gonna take maybe few hours to charge, and then we will see when it's full green. Then we will gonna place it on a discharger and discharge it all batteries and see what the capacity is. Actually, let me grab it one more device. Actually, I want to see what's the current charge it's using. How much it's current using to charge it then. I have to use a different power supply. Here's a little device which will show me. Oh, it's actually it's using pretty good. Well, the numbers going up and down, but it's using 1.51 amp, 1.5, 1.49 amp. Pretty much for each cell, it looks like supplying around 300. Actually, yeah, around 350 to 400 milliamp to top it off, which is really awesome. Okay, let me reset it. Counter, it's charging, and I will be back when all lights is green. Okay guys, all batteries is full of charge. When they full, they turn green, which is nice. And now we can disconnect it. Let's check what's the full voltage. 1.55, 1.57, which is really close to each other. 1.567, flickering back and forth from 6 to 7, and 1.567, yeah, same thing. Also, we can check with my Fluky, see how accurate that little guy. I'm pretty sure it was pretty good. Yeah, same thing. And now what we're gonna do, I was gonna discharge it, those batteries, with this kinda affordable, and I was about to say fancy charger. It's a Opus BT C3100. I like the charger because it can take any chemistry, any kind of chemistry. You can charge it, discharge it, test it, analyze it. Pretty much can do. And mode, we're gonna discharge it, and current we're gonna do. For more accurate, of course, you can do 200 milliamp, 300 milliamp, 500. Let's do 300 milliamp discharge. That's gonna take probably what, 7-8 hours but then with 300 milliamp we will have more better accurate reading, and we can tell if it's pretty close to what they advertise it. Let me turn it backlights on, because in default, when you touch it any button, the backlight will turns on, but then in the 5 seconds will turns off. If you push a display button and hold it for like 10 seconds, backlight will stay on. Pretty much. Oh, actually, I'm doing charge mode. No. We need decharge. Decharge right there at 300 milliamp. Okay. We don't need to charge it because it's full of charge anyway. Okay. Now we are good. At 300 milliamp decharge. Let's see. Voltage. They're all pretty close to same. 159, 159, 158, 158. It's ready 1 milliamp. Discharge it. Okay, let's leave it and I will be back. Okay guys, battery is done and the numbers looks really good. Originally they advertised at AAA, it's a 2400 milliamp, and you can see it's well over 2600. Like cell 1 2660, cell 2 2639, cell 3 2706, and cell 4 2612. Now, like I said, numbers really impressive. And this charger, I did compare it with my other one. I know it's pretty accurate. I'm quite happy with the cells. I mean, so far, because usually a lot of times you buy it, especially if you buy it from AliExpress or from eBay or on the AA's, when they saying like 3000, 4000 milliamp. Of course, those numbers are gonna be fake, because in that size, there's no way it can be 4000 milliamp. This cells advertised as a 2400, and discharge it's 200, from 2 to 300 milliamp more. It looks really awesome. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be happy with the cells. Now, pretty much AAA's, they're all green, and basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna swap it and discharge it AAA's now. And AAA is supposed to be 750. If they are pretty close to what it's specified, I will be really happy. Okay, now we're gonna, let's see. We're gonna discharge those cells because they are too small. I mean, really small. It's a AAA. At lowest we can do, it's a 200 milliamp. Let's double check, make sure they all read it. Yep, it's a 1.58 by 1.57. And let's discharge it, and I will be back when they done. We're gonna analyze those numbers. Okay guys, I'm back with result for AAA battery, and pretty much you can see right here they're all higher than what they advertised. It's supposed to be 750. And you can see the first one 783, second 826, 859, 851. The first one is slightly lower. It's kind of difficult to say exactly. Maybe it didn't sit properly. Well, I just reset it. Yeah. Anyway, but at least they're all higher than what they advertised. It's good. Same thing with AA's, you know, it's 200 milliamp higher than what they advertised. It's awesome. At least it's not less than what they advertised. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate it. Thank you.